Hello everyone, it's me Chanel here, and today I have a decorate with me makeover space, and I am delivering the items to the space as well as going to place them in there. Now I get many questions over time is how or can you add very modern transitional items to a traditional room or with very traditional furniture? The answer is yes, and it also depends on the furniture. You can do that by adding the modern and the contemporary looks of items in the space and tie it all together in a very cohesive manner. Let's get started. Hello everyone, it's me Chanel here, and today I'm doing a makeover, a quick makeover, adding a few items to this room as I'm showing you here in the clip, the overview of the entire room. And I'm going to be adding a few elements to the space, not too many. We're going to be dressing out the bed, adding a few pillows. We're also going to add a mirror to the far wall over here, as well as some artwork that she wanted for the space. We weren't able to find exactly what she wanted inside the stores or online, so she had me to create her two art pieces for the existing wall over here. She will be adding some more elements to the room after my process. Again, with your homeowners, you want to add your special touches to your space. What she likes here in this space or in her home is a traditional with a classic touch, but also adding the bit of shine and sparkle. What we want to call these days is glam. So much of the glam factor, but she also wants the space to feel touchable and family friendly, family and friend friendly with the space and whoever comes to stay in here, because this is going to be a guest space that her guests will come in and stay in. And along this wall you will see some that I have as well and that she purchased for her space, and that is going to kind of bring it all together to add a little texture with a little softness as well in the space. The video and what I'm going to show you here is a few items that we're going to add to the room, like the gold mirror as well as the artwork. And also I found this side table for the space, and we will be adding another one eventually in the space, along with a beautiful lamp that has been purchased for the area as well. Again, she wants her shine, she wants her sparkle, which is the glam factor, but she also is a lover of the traditional style, but keeping it very modern in the here and now. And of course, you know the Barley Twist bed, yes, it has a new home. So stay tuned in, and I hope you enjoy the video. Let's get started. Here is a better view, Slore, of the table that I found for the area, which is in this gold accent base with the marble top, as well as the gold lamp. She likes the metal finish of gold, and we'll be adding accent pillows, and as you can see, also the Designs by Chanel pillows will be added in the space as well. And so I'm just going to continue to add all of the elements in the space, along with the artwork that I created to tie all the colors together on the back wall. And then I'm going to come back in a later video and show you the complete whole overall makeover of the room, where I will be adding the draperies on the window and the far end of the wall as well, because there are a few more elements that we wanted to pick up for the space. Enjoy the tour of the area. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button. This has been Chanel, and I'll see you all for the next one.